What if I told you that you don't need a fancy gym or expensive equipment to get fit? Imagine transforming your body right at home with just your own body weight. Whether you're brand new to fitness or just want a simple routine, today's video is for you. In today's video, we're diving into 8 easy home workouts that are perfect for beginners and can be done in any space. No equipment required. So, if you're ready to start your fitness journey or just need some fresh ideas to add to your routine, stick around. Let's get started. 1. Bodyweight squats. Let's start with one of the most fundamental exercises, bodyweight squats. This move is the king of lower body exercises because it builds leg strength and improves mobility, which is important for daily activities like climbing stairs or getting up from chair. To do a bodyweight squat, stand with your feet shoulder width apart, then sit your hips back like you're going to sit in an invisible chair. Make sure your knees don't go past your toes. As you lower yourself, engage your glutes and thighs, then press through your heels to stand back up. It's simple but effective. Bodyweight squats work your quads, hamstrings, and glutes, helping you build leg strength while boosting mobility. This exercise is great for beginners because it can be done anywhere from your living room to your bedroom. You can also vary it by adding pauses or holding the bottom position to make it more challenging as you progress. Start with 10 to 15 reps and build your way up as you get stronger. Don't rush. Focus on good form, and you'll notice the difference over time. 2. Wall push-ups. Push-ups are a classic exercise, but they can be tough for beginners. Wall push-ups are a fantastic starting point to build chest and arm strength without putting too much strain on your joints. Stand a few feet away from a wall and place your palms flat against it, just like you would in a standard push-up position. Lower yourself toward the wall, bend your elbows to 90 degrees, then push back up. Keep your core tight and your body straight, just like you would in a normal push-up. As you progress, you can gradually move closer to the wall to make it a little harder, where you can transition to floor push-ups. Wall push-ups help build strength in your chest, shoulders, and arms while giving you a safe way to practice your form. They also offer a great way to improve muscle endurance and prepare for more advanced push-up variations. Aim for 10 to 12 reps and work your way up as you build strength. 3. Glute bridges. If you sit at a desk all day or just want to activate your glutes, glute bridges are a must-do. Lie on your back with your knees bent and feet flat on the floor. Push through your heels and lift your hips toward the ceiling, squeezing your glutes at the top. Hold for a second, then lower your hips back down to the floor. This move is great for activating your glutes and stretching out tight hip flexors, especially if you spend long hours sitting. Glute bridges are a perfect exercise for beginners because they don't require any equipment and are easy to modify. You can make them harder by adding a pause at the top or raising one leg while bridging. This exercise also helps improve posture by strengthening the lower back and hips. Aim for 10 to 15 reps and try to keep your hips level as you lift. This move will help improve your posture, strengthen your lower body, and reduce lower back discomfort. 4. Plank knee version. The plank is a core strengthening exercise that can be tough on your back if not done correctly. But don't worry, knee planks are a great way to build core strength safely, especially if you're just getting started. Start on your forearms and knees, keeping your body in a straight line from your head to your knees. Focus on keeping your core engaged and your back flat, without letting your hips sag. This exercise works your entire core, including your abs, obliques, and lower back. It's one of the best moves for building stability and preventing future back pain. The knee version also takes some pressure off your joints while still providing an excellent core workout. Try holding the position for 20 to 30 seconds at first, and as you get stronger, increase the time. Remember, it's about holding good form, so take it slow and steady. 5. Bird dog. Do you want to improve your balance while strengthening your back and glutes? The bird dog is an exercise for you. Start on all fours with your hands directly under your shoulders and knees under your hips. Slowly extend your right arm forward while simultaneously extending your left leg behind you. Keep both your arm and leg level with your body. Hold for a second, then return to the starting position and switch sides. This move helps build balance and strengthens your posterior chain, the muscles in your back and glutes, which is essential for good posture. Bird dogs are a great way to improve your coordination and strengthen your core. They also help with spinal alignment and can prevent back pain by strengthening the muscles that support your spine. Aim for 10 to 12 reps on each side, keeping your movements slow and controlled. As you get better, you can increase the number of reps or hold each position a little longer to increase the challenge. 6. Lunges static. Lunges are an amazing exercise for building lower body strength, and static lunges are an easy way to get started without the need to walk around. Start by placing one foot forward and the other behind you in a split stance. Lower your back knee toward the floor while keeping your front knee at a 90-degree angle. Press through the front heel to return to standing. Repeat the movement, focusing on balance and stability. This exercise targets your quads, hamstrings, and glutes, helping you build leg strength and stability. Static lunges are great for beginners because they don't require much space and help you focus on each leg individually. This move also improves balance and coordination, essential for overall body control. Try 10 to 12 reps on each leg and increase the number as you build strength. To challenge yourself, you can hold a weight in each hand or add a pause at the bottom of the lunge. 7. Incline mountain climbers. Looking for a way to get your heart pumping without jumping around? Incline mountain climbers are perfect for beginners. Find a sturdy surface, such as a couch, table, or kitchen counter, and place your hands on it. From here, alternate bringing your knees toward your chest in a running motion. The incline makes this move less intense while still giving you a good cardio workout and activating your core, shoulders, and legs. Incline mountain climbers are an excellent exercise for building endurance and burning calories without putting too much stress on your joints. They provide a full body workout and are easy to modify based on your fitness level. You can start slow and gradually increase your speed as you get more comfortable with the movement. Aim for 30 seconds of work, followed by a short rest, and repeat for 3 to 4 sets. 8. Wall sits. Do you want to really challenge your leg muscles without any movement? Wall sits are an exercise for you. Find a wall and slide your back against it, lowering yourself into a seated position until your thighs are parallel to the floor. Hold this position for 20 to 30 seconds, focusing on engaging your quads and glutes. If you want to increase the challenge, try holding the position longer or adding weight, such as a backpack filled with books. Wall sits are an isometric exercise, meaning your muscles work to hold a position rather than move. This makes them great for building endurance and strength in your legs. They may seem easy at first, but as the seconds tick by, you'll definitely feel the burn. Start with short holds and gradually increase the time as you get stronger. So, there you have it. 8 easy home workouts that are perfect for beginners and require no equipment at all. Whether you're trying to get stronger, improve your balance, or simply stay active at home, these exercises will help you build a solid foundation. Start slow, focus on form, and gradually increase the difficulty as you get stronger. If you found these exercises helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more fitness tips and workouts. Leave a comment below letting us know which exercise you're excited to try first. And I'll see you in the next video.